Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Here we have the Linkind automatic pour-over coffee brewer. It seems to be like you probably use it portable. I believe it uses battery power. So this is model S3, again by Linkind. So let's go ahead and actually take a look and see what's in the box. The box here is about the size of a tissue box, just to give you an idea of the size of what the coffee maker would be. So in the box, of course, it says max hot water, how much to use in there, how much coffee. Don't wash the main unit, but it does say the other piece is to wash it with some warm soapy water as you take it out. So we have the top there, which is just the lid. Have a spoon, which is interesting, which is, So they have this here, which looks like you can use any of these type of clips. So you can clip it to things. It's kind of intuitive. And that looks like where you would go ahead and put the water in. That would sit. And in the box here, so this is the black and red version, which is kind of cool looking. Some extra styrofoam. And then we have our little filter. So you'll see the metal filter right in there, which is kind of cool. Pretty cool looking design. So if we go ahead, put that on top. And that goes on top there. And you put that on top, and then this, I believe, sits on top. Let's see. Yep, so that's going to sit on top of a coffee cup. So if I place So it would sit just right on it, just like that, and then it would brew down into it. So then you do need batteries for this. So there is a battery compartment here on the side, so it does not come with batteries. So you get the batteries, and then there should be, I guess, a basic on-off. That must be your brew switch right there. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up and try it out, see how it works. And we'll come back and give you a review of this Linkind pour-over coffee brewer. Pretty cool looking though. There you have it. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.